welcome back. So today I'm going to unwrap this. This one's the 3D molding for to customize your skateboarding. So like a fingerboard. So anyway, I'm going to open this up and then compare to the tech deck. See if it's same similar shape. So let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, by the way, I got this out of eBay. Original retails price about $13, and then I put in an offer for $10, and then the seller accepted. So my total is about $10.80 something cents. So I believe the size is about 35 millimeters. So, and they did this from 3D printing. Yeah, so the finish is so-so. So yeah, you put in your veneer sheets over here and just keep on gluing them, and then use a clamp to clamp this together. Depends on how many ply, like 5 ply or 6 ply. Normally it's 5 ply, so I'm just going to open this tech deck real quick and see if it's the same size. So yeah, it is a similar size. Cool. So hopefully I could customize any of the board, either the wood or the plexiglass or the plastic, and then metal board. So I'm not sure about the metal though. Metals are pretty hard to bend. Wow, perfect. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comment down below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.